What's up everyone, this is Raibali from DIY Tech, and today I have got another flashlight from China, and this one is also rechargeable flashlight. So let's unbox it and see what we have got inside the box. On the box there are instructions. You can pause the video and read if you like to. Inside the box there is a micro USB cable for charging this flashlight, and this adapter is for using AAA batteries. You can use 3 AAA batteries to power this flashlight, or you can use this rechargeable cell. It's BL-26650 lithium ion cell, 6800 mAh capacity, which is rechargeable. And finally the flashlight itself, it looks very premium quality with big lens and LED. It's all metal body, and button is very clicky, and this is I think for a charging port, micro USB port for charging this. So let's open it and put the battery. Let's turn it on. Oh, it's very bright light. It has zoom option as well, so you can make the beam smaller and bigger. It has 3 modes: bright, low and flashing. Now let's compare the size with a smaller LED flashlight. I made a review of this in my previous video. So this one looks much smaller than this. This is actually more heavier. This flashlight cost me around $10 and it's very nice. I like the brightness of this flashlight. It's very bright. I have never seen a flashlight that much brighter. So it's a side-by-side comparison of these two super bright flashlights. I hope you like this video, and let me know in the comments down below that how did you like this flashlight, and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more interesting videos. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.